everyone, how's everyone doing? So I am back with my Ammavasya tips, but this time I'm combining Ammavasya, no moon, which is, sorry, the new moon and the Beltane, because Beltane is a festival, a weekend festival very close to my heart. And this time Ammavasya comes on the April 30th at night 1 a.m. it starts, and it gets over on the May 1st in the night. So technically Ammavasya is on April 30th. April 30th also has the solar eclipse, but luckily the eclipse will not be seen much in India, and it is just partially seen in India. So we can do rituals, but we will not be doing a lot of rituals the way we usually I suggest people to do from time to time. We will not be doing that, but instead we will do it on Beltane, because it so happens that this time all the days have beautifully set. 30th being Ammavasya, first being the new moon, followed by Akshaya So it's a beautiful combination. In fact, I am planning to bring for my students and followers one ritual which I will do for them, specifically starting from the new moon till the Akhatij or the Akshaya what we say, for abundance and blessings and all. So that maybe whoever is there in my WhatsApp group, they will come to know. So now coming back to this, though it's solar eclipse, as I said, eclipse is very partial in India. It will not be seen much, so we don't have to worry about it. So afternoon at 12 o'clock, as usual, do your ancestor blessing rituals. Many of my candle magic students work with the blue candles. There's a way I have explained to them. Please do that. Now those who are not my candle magic students, what you can do is at afternoon 12 o'clock, burn a white candle. Take a nice plain white candle. It can be any size, anything. Take a white candle. Apply whatever essential oil you have at home. If preferably you can use rose oil, it is much preferred, but any other oil is also okay. And those who are not my candle magic students, who will be doing, just because I'm giving them the tip, what you can do is make a bowl of rice, cooked rice, cook some rice. No one should touch it, or no one should eat it. So some cooked rice. In that, what you will do is you will put little bit of sesame seeds on top and keep it, burn the white candle and say, I am dedicating this rice to my ancestors. Now if you know what your ancestor likes, and if you know that okay, my ancestor prefers this type of food, then you can also keep that, and you can also give it to the crows in your terrace or in your entrance that day. Okay, so do that. At the night, those who have taken from me the green SOD for money blockage removal, please burn that on that day night. Any time is okay. Don't go by solar eclipse and all that, but I would suggest burn on that day, because all the money blockages are going to go. The green SOD means the Star of David. And again, my candle magic students who burn on every Ammavasya day the black Star of David, please burn that. Now those who are not my students can burn a black candle at the night, indicating that their negativity or their blockages are going away. What all can we do on the day of Ammavasya in the morning? Because as I said, solar eclipse is also there and Ammavasya is also there. We will not be doing much of rituals that day. So in the morning, what you can do is show frankincense ka smoke throughout the house. It is Loban in Hindi, and actually I'm not able to recollect the Tamil name, so I'm sorry, but frankincense is very easily Sambrani. We say Sambrani in down south, and Loban in north, and frankincense in English. Show the smoke of it throughout the house. That day, what you can do is, while having a bath, add tulsi leaves in your bath water. That is very, very important. And when you're mopping the house, mop with Himalayan salt. Himalayan salt will be useful, will remove any sort of unwanted energy. So you will start with Himalayan salt ka mopping, and then you will show Loban in the whole house also, or you will have your bath and then you will show Loban in the whole house. That day, preferably wear a white colored dress or a yellow colored dress, preferably, because energies will be good that day when you wear that. And chant 108 times Om that day in the morning, followed by Shreem, SHREEM. So Om 108 times and Shreem 108 times on this Ammavasya, which is also falling on a Saturday. It's a Shani Ammavasya. If possible, go to Hanuman temple. Even last time I had said going to Hanuman temple is very good on a Shani Ammavasya. Offer some milk to some stray animal, preferably a dog or a cat, but offer some milk. And also what you can do is that day you can give some greens, some sort of fruits or some vegetables to the cow. The blessings will come to you tenfold. And if you are not able to go to a Hanuman temple, hear Hanuman Chalisa and hear Sankat Mochan, because I really love hearing Sankat Mochan. Last time also I had said this in my video. Hear Sankat Mochan and a lot of things start changing. In fact, those who know Hanuman Chalisa can chant it instead of hearing it. Okay, and at home also that day in the morning, take a lamp and put little bit of gingerly oil. The gingerly oil is nothing but the sesame oil, ya til ka tel, what we say in north, and we say nallanna here down south. So take that, take the gingerly oil, pour it in that thing, and in that wick add a pinch of kapoor. Okay, kacha kapoor if possible, the kacha karpuram what we say, and the raw camphor basically. Apply that and you burn that, and inside the til ka tel or the sesame oil, add 1 star anise and burn it that day morning, saying that whatever is creating obstacles in your life is going away and things are becoming better. That would really work wonders. Now coming to Beltane, one of my, actually every festival in WICCA is, you know, loved by me and celebrated by me, but this time I'm very happy because this time some of my coven members are celebrating Beltane in Mumbai, and their high priest will be with them. So that's a very happy thing for me, that my wings are spreading and my students are helping me in fulfilling my dreams, and my family is also helping me in that. So that is something which I really am looking forward to. Beltane is one of the major sabbats. We have 4 minor and 4 major sabbats in WICCA. So Beltane is a major sabbat. Beltane works, it's a fire festival, you know. People love putting maypoles and then they dance around it. People in the sense are coven members, they put a maypole and then they dance around it. They offer spiced wine to the gods and goddesses. You know, it's more like a festival that day where all of them meet together under one roof, and then they offer cakes, they offer bread, and they all eat together, enjoy together. I will be also doing it here, but alone, and my coven members, I'm happy that they're doing in teams. So that day, I would suggest those who are not even into WICCA, plant some tree that day at your home. Preferably, take a money plant or a betel leaf plant, buy it and keep, and in that mud put carnelian. Put 2 to 3 pieces of carnelian and grow. As it grows, you will see abundance coming in your life. You will see happiness coming in your life. Also that day in the morning, have a bath with milk and rose water mix. Take 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of rose water, mix that and have a bath. And those who are not into WICCA, it's perfectly fine. You can still offer some cake and you can, you know, have it with your family members. Those who are in WICCA, my Wiccan students will make cakes or will offer cake and bread. That day, have some chamomile tea in the morning. You get chamomile tea bags easily in Big Basket or in market in Amazon nowadays. Do that. Do grounding and meditation. I shall see if I get time after my Beltane meet with my coven members. If I can bring in some meditation for you all, I shall definitely bring in. On the day of Beltane, people work on abundance and fertility. Fertility is a main spell which is worked. Honor the fire god that day, because if you honor the fire god today, what happens is the fire god will keep giving you the energy to survive, to go forward in life regularly. Preferably wear something in black or red today. That would really, you know, bring in tremendous energies. Use eucalyptus oil in your diffuser. I have kept the timings for you. You all must be wondering why no timings, but just because I was talking about Beltane, start dedicating even for Beltane, because I always believe, be it Indian festivals, Wiccan festivals, any festivals in this world, there's only one divine, there's only one white light. So why not celebrate everything? Why not celebrate anything and everything which connects us to the nature, connects us to the divine, connects us to the white light. Okay, so now that day you can do one more thing. Now if you want your whole year to be happy with positivity, with abundance, with happiness and relationships to be long lasting, take some honey, add a pinch of red chili flakes and add a pinch of cinnamon powder in it, and tell to the gods and goddesses and to the Mother Earth, I am dedicating this honey to you so that my life is always sweet and prosperous and filled with all the abundance. And take that honey and keep it in the crossroads and don't turn back and look, just come. Okay, so now coming to our timings. Evening 6:06, evening at 6:06 p.m. burn a green candle with cinnamon oil, or those who have my Star of David can also burn on that day. At 8:08 in the evening, I'm saying in the evening on the 1st of May at 8:08, take 8 lamps, okay, put ghee in it and put one elaichi and burn it. There is no shape that, you know, you should keep one in center and surround, nothing like that, just 8 lamps. And when you're burning it, say that abundance, happiness, health, wealth, whatever you desire, everything is coming in your life and you're happy in your life. In the night, what you can do is at 10:10, in the night at 10:10, you can burn a red and a black candle, that all your all your obstacles are going away, and roads are opening, pathways are opening. So that would be really great if you can do. I shall see if I can bring a special card of the day for on the night you all start your day with my readings now. So I'm very very happy to know that many of you just follow my cards and follow my predictions and start your day. So I shall see if I can bring a Beltane special reading that day, and of course the May bond will come. I'm actually bringing a sale on Beltane for a special reason, because on that day those who procure things from you, those who order, I shall keep them in my Beltane altar, energize them, and then send it to them, because Beltane blessing will be the highest blessing in this whole universe for me. And what I will do is I shall be also energizing it on the day of Beltane, the next day, and also next day till Akshaya Triti. And especially when there are things which I'm going to send related to abundance, you can imagine how the energies are going to be. So do these tips. I know today it was a very short and a crisp video due to time restrictions, and I have some other work also which is going on, but I promise I shall bring back more such videos. I just wanted to go with the flow and not cut down on a video this time, so I brought this video. Do like the channel, subscribe the channel, and click the bell icon so that you will know as and when I bring the videos, and also share it with your friends, your family, so that everyone enjoys it and tries all this. And do let me know how you felt. Have a blessed Beltane. Have a beautiful May month ahead. May all the gods, goddesses, the divine, the white light fulfill all your wishes, and may all your dreams and desires come true. Thank you.